Yo, first order of the day, McDonald's. $6.75 going less than 2 miles.
Have a great day.
Thank you, you too. Next order up is same McDonald's, $12 going like 4 miles. It's still pretty slow. I don't think people are awake yet, so it's not too busy. Should be ready, right?
Yep, here you go.
Perfect, thank you. Alright, I just took a stacked Walmart order. It all happened so quickly, but I think the total was like around $30 going 9 miles total. Pretty easy drop-offs. And I got my next order. It is McDonald's, $9 and some change going like 3 miles.
Have a good day.
You too. Got my next order as I was dropping that off. Subway, $9 going like 3 miles.
And we are out of that at the moment. Could you message them and ask them what they would like it on instead? Have a good day.
I took another stacked Walmart order. This one isn't as great as the one before. It's $30 going like 13 miles. But if I could do them as quickly as the previous two, should be easy money anyways. What the heck? Is that snow? It's like sprinkling. Actually, I don't know if that applies to snow, but it's snowing. First snowfall of the year. If you aren't able to see it now, you definitely will once I pull in to pick up. Oh man. All right, next up, I've got a shop and deliver for Safeway. I think it said like $16 going 4 miles. This guy's tone was very passive aggressive when he messaged me about substitutes. So I feel like I'm not getting full pay on this. Next order up is a Subway, $8.75 going less than 3 miles.
Hi.
Hello. Thank you.
Have a good day.
You as well.
I'm just trying to get something before you get the lab out.
Oh yeah.
There you are. All right, thank you.
Yet another Walmart order. This one is $17 going like 5 miles. These Walmart orders are really doing work today. It's on the other side, isn't it? Yep.
Make the U-turn. Make the U-turn.
Over here, or if you go back this way and then turn.
Got my next order lined up already. Blackberry Diner, $10 going about 2 miles. Pretty close to it, so kind of a good thing that I got lost, because I don't think it was gonna be ready. That's me coping. Thank you. I think I just noticed what I did. It's on the other side of the street, isn't it? Yeah, I left it on the same address. Let me go grab it. There we go. All right, next up, I've got a Taco Bell 875 going 1 mile. All good.
Thank you so much for delivering them in the snow.
No problem. Next order is stacked order. Panera 1550 going under 5 miles. Of course, it's upstairs. It's always upstairs. All right, I think all my good luck with orders has run out. It's starting to slow down now. So I think I'll take the signal to call it a day. Current time is 11:35. Current total is 168. And I have no idea how many Uber tips have yet to come in. But we'll say, what, 180 for the day? That's pretty good, I'd say. All those Walmart orders really carried today. Anyways, that's gonna be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.